They lied to you. Here's what actually improves your life. They told you to chase the fast car, the designer watch, the mansion with the view. But deep down, you've always known the truth. Those are just shiny distractions designed to pull money out of your pocket. Follow that path and you'll end up right back where you started, broke. But not everything you buy is a waste. Some purchases can actually elevate your life in powerful ways. At Profitability Plus, we believe in investing wisely, into yourself, your environment, and your future. Here are 8 smart things to spend your money on that will make a real impact. Fix what's holding you back. Yes, your face. It might sound a bit blunt, but if there's something about your appearance that's damaging your confidence or holding you back in social or professional settings, it's worth addressing. Whether it's getting dental work done, improving your skin, correcting your vision, or something else, making an investment in your appearance can have a significant impact. Our faces are how we connect with others, and confidence comes from feeling good about the way we present ourselves to the world. Research by IZA World of Labor found that people who are perceived as attractive can earn up to 15% more, get hired faster, and are promoted more frequently. People also tend to trust them more. If something about your appearance has been bothering you, consider investing in the changes that could help you feel more confident. However, don't go overboard with treatments like Botox, as it's easy to take things too far and end up with results that are less than desirable. Striking a balance will help you look and feel your best. Build your strength. Looking good is just one part of the equation. Feeling strong is what truly elevates your sense of confidence and well-being. If you've been thinking about getting in better shape, hiring a personal trainer could be a great step. Paying up front for sessions will keep you committed and hold you accountable, making it easier to stay on track and see faster results. Working on your strength and fitness boosts your energy levels, and when you feel better physically, it makes everything else, including work, more enjoyable. Many gyms also offer additional perks like saunas and spas that can relieve stress and improve your overall heart health. In fact, research shows that using a sauna 4 times a week can reduce your risk of heart failure by nearly 50%. Once you start seeing progress and feeling stronger, working out becomes something you look forward to, and feeling amazing becomes your new normal. Upgrade your sleep. Your bed is everything. Most people don't realize how much their sleep is affecting them until they finally upgrade their sleeping environment. A cheap mattress and low-quality pillows can slowly drain your energy and reduce your ability to focus throughout the day. The solution is simple. Invest in a high-quality mattress, and don't be afraid to spend a bit more than you originally thought was reasonable. Look for breathable, soft sheets. 500 thread count cotton is a great option, and choose pillows that match your sleeping style for maximum comfort. Since we spend about a third of our lives in bed, it's essential to make that time count. High-quality sleep is the foundation of peak performance, and it's a game changer for your productivity and well-being. Eat for fuel and experience. When you're grinding away, it's easy to fall into the habit of quick, low-effort meals like instant noodles or whatever is most convenient. But once you start experiencing financial success, it's time to shift from survival mode to focusing on nourishment that fuels both your body and your mind. Eating high-quality, nutrient-dense food can help your body function at its highest level. You don't necessarily need to eat more, you just need to eat better. A diet made up of balanced meals can extend your focus, boost your mood, and improve the results of your workouts. And let's not forget the joy of indulging in a world-class meal now and then, purely for the experience. Wealthy individuals often eat less, but the meals they choose are far more refined and intentional. Savoring quality food rather than quantity can make all the difference. Pay for convenience. Time is far more valuable than money. For the wealthy, convenience is often seen as the ultimate currency. The reason wealthy individuals order rides instead of walking, or buy bottled water even when there's a fountain nearby, isn't about laziness. It's about optimizing both time and energy. When you're constantly working toward your goals, every minute counts. Paying for services that make your life easier, whether it's priority boarding, access to airport lounges, home delivery, or even a personal assistant, helps you focus on what matters most. The key is not about indulgence. It's about freeing up your time to work smarter, not harder. Convenience allows you to focus on your long-term success, keeping your mind clear and your energy directed toward achieving your goals faster. Choose your location intentionally. The place you call home has a profound impact on the way you live. Your environment shapes your daily habits, the people you meet, and even your outlook on life. Living near opportunity, whether it's in a bustling city or a well-connected community, can open doors that would be otherwise closed. Access to networks, mentors, and financial opportunities can accelerate your growth in ways you couldn't achieve in a less connected location. If your current environment is draining your energy, stifling your growth, or even affecting your safety, it may be time to consider a move. Proximity to resources, opportunities, and supportive individuals can be a game changer. The closer you are to those factors, the faster you'll experience personal and professional growth. Choosing your location with intention can unlock the next level of success and fulfillment. Clear your calendar. Being busy doesn't automatically equate to being productive. Once you've achieved financial stability, your next goal should be freedom, specifically, time freedom. To reclaim your time, start by outsourcing the tasks that drain your energy. Learn to say no more often, especially to things that don't align with your goals or priorities. It's important to protect your time by blocking off large chunks for deep, focused work or restorative rest. The fewer distractions you have, the more you can unlock your creative potential and solve the important problems that drive your growth. Keep your calendar open and reserve your energy for what truly matters: your well-being, your family, and your purpose. This kind of intentional time management is the key to sustained success and happiness. Automate the small stuff. A stress-free life begins with eliminating the repetitive tasks that consume your time. By automating your daily or weekly routines, you can free up your mental energy for bigger, more impactful endeavors. Consider hiring help for household chores, setting up subscriptions for essentials like groceries and toiletries, and putting your bills on autopay. Even your investment contributions can be automated, so you're consistently saving without needing to think about it. The less time you spend managing the little things, the more space you create for growth, peace, and purpose. Automation allows you to focus on the areas of your life that really matter, whether it's pursuing your passions, nurturing relationships, or expanding your business. It's a simple way to streamline your life and eliminate unnecessary stress. The goal isn't just to look rich, it's to be rich in every sense of the word. True wealth isn't only about money, but about richness in confidence, energy, time, and peace of mind. These upgrades are not just luxuries, they are essential foundations for building a life that aligns with your values and goals. At Profitability Plus, we believe that real wealth begins when you stop spending to impress others and start investing in yourself. The key to success lies in creating a life that supports your true needs and ambitions, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and prosperous future.